In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I have been making money online by sharing links right after the intro. What's up, my name is Godgiven and welcome back to another video on the channel. I make tech and tutorial videos just like this, and if that's something that you're interested in, then make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so to get notified whenever I do post new videos like this. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. My channel ain't monetized, but I've been making money by sharing links. So if I open up one of my videos, this is a video I uploaded about 2 months ago showing people how to get Sony Vegas Pro 17 for free. So whenever someone clicks on the link in the description, I will earn a commission. So let's say I want to download Sony Vegas Pro 17. So when I click on the link, it will redirect me to this website. So this is how I make money. So in order for you to download Sony Vegas, you will have to click on skip this ad. You'll have to wait 5 seconds, then click on skip this ad, and it will redirect you to the website where you'll be able to download the software for free. So in order for you to shorten your links and make money the way I'm making is really easy. So go ahead and click on the first link on top of the description down below, and it will bring you to this website. So just go ahead and click on join. Then you can choose either to sign in with your Google account. So since I've already created an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. So once I've signed up, it will bring me to this website. So this dashboard shows me how much money I've been making daily. So in order for you to be able to shorten the link, you can go ahead and write any URL here. Then you click on shorten. Then you go ahead and click on copy. So you can go ahead and start sharing these links in order for you to be able to make money. So whenever someone waits for 5 seconds and they click on skip this ad, you'll be able to earn a commission. So this is how much money I've so far made. I've made about $7, and I've been using this thing for about 2 months, and I've been able to make $7. So if you want to make more money, keep on sharing your links with your friends, and you'll be able to make money. And you can also make money when you invite someone, like when you join using the link in the description down below. I'll be able to earn 20% of everything that you guys will make. So guys, make sure to use the link in the description down below. So if you also want to make more money, make sure you use your affiliate link in your description so that your friends can be able to join with using your links. And if you want to get the affiliate link, just go ahead and click on link tools. Then you go ahead and click on refer program. Just go ahead and copy this link so when people want to join, they join with your affiliate link, and you'll be able to get 20% on everything that they make. So once you've made about $5 and you want to withdraw your money, just go ahead and click on shortener. Then go ahead and click on withdraw. So they pay on the 10th day of every month. So on the 10th day of every month, that's when you'll be able to withdraw your money. So once you've made around $7 or more, you'll be able to withdraw your money using PayPal. And if you want to withdraw money using Pioneer, you'll have to have $20 or more in order to withdraw your payment using Pioneer. And if you want to choose whether you get your money through Pioneer or PayPal, just go ahead and click on where it says set payment method. Then you go ahead and fill in this form. Then you go ahead and choose whether you want to be paid through PayPal or Pioneer or Web Money. So guys, that's about it for this video, and if you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I do post new videos like this. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.